In a radiant studio, upbeat music sets the stage as a friendly narrator introduces the audience to the world of ChatGPT. The narrator warmly invites viewers to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, promising a simple guide to mastering this powerful AI. With a confident tone, the narrator exclaims, "Hi there! Want to learn how to use ChatGPT?" The narrator assures that, in just a few steps, you'll be chatting with one of the most powerful AI tools in the world. Let's get started. The digital realm unfolds on the screen, beckoning with the promise of innovation as the browser opens to chat. OpenAI.com. On-screen text boldly proclaims, Step 1. Open your web browser and go to chat. OpenAI.com. A voice echoes, "Sign up for a new account if one doesn't exist," as digital words flash. "Sign up. It's free." On the screen, a login screen unfolds, offering users a gateway through email, Google, or Microsoft, as a voice whispers, "This is where the magic happens." The login screen beckons with the promise of seamless access. Step 2. Log in using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. A digital realm springs to life as a question materializes in the chat box, beckoning toward the mysteries of quantum physics. The digital narrator guides. Step 3. Type your question or request into the message box. A query pierces the digital void. Explain quantum physics in simple terms. A heartfelt message is called forth from the digital ether. Write a birthday message for my friend. A brightly lit screen displays creative prompts, emphasizing the mantra, "The more specific you are, the better the answer." As the screen illuminates with endless possibilities, a voice whispers. Creative prompts can be used for a variety of tasks. The voice continues, detailing the myriad uses from homework to finding new recipes. With a warm smile, the narrator concludes the tutorial, inviting viewers to explore the boundless potential of ChatGPT. The screen radiates with the bold declaration, ChatGPT by OpenAI, beckoning users to dive into a world of AI-driven creation. The narrator encourages viewers to unleash their creativity, declaring, "And that's it. ChatGPT is your smart assistant, always ready to help." With a final invitation, the narrator inspires action, urging, "Try it out today and see what you can create."